Let's make a fillable PDF form using Acrobat. So first of all, create a PDF, or you can just open your existing PDF file in Acrobat, then go to Tool section. Under Tool, you have to come to this Forms and Signature section and then click on Prepare Form. And here, I'm selecting my existing form and clicking on Start. And before that, we have to save our PDF file, so just go ahead and save your PDF file. Now here I'm selecting the text tool and typing my text here, and then selecting the text tool again and adding another text field here. That's how I'm just making some text field. So as you can see, I've added here name, number, gender, email, date, and a submit text. Now we have to add here fields. So first of all, for name, I'm selecting this text field and drawing a text field just like this for my name box. And then again selecting the text field and adding another text field for number. And for gender, I'm selecting here this checkbox field and adding a checkbox for male and adding another checkbox for female. And then for email, I'm adding another text field. And for date, I'm selecting the date field. And for submit, I'm selecting this OK button. Okay, now clicking on preview, and here we can see a very basic form created. If I click on name, I can write my name here, I can enter my number here, and I can select my gender as well, just like this. And here I can enter my email address, and here I can easily select a date, and then here we can see the OK button. Now let's go to edit and right clicking on this name field and clicking on properties. And here selecting appearance, and now I'm just adding a fill color for this field. And if you want, you can also add a border and click on close. And we can see a fill color and a border added. So that's how you can just go ahead and customize your form fields from here. So that's how you can make fillable form.